Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by packaging the train model into a deployable format. This matters because the server must load it quickly. Once done, pick a minimal web framework like Fast API for async endpoints. This reduces latency. Make sure to create a Docker file that installs runtime dependencies and copies the model artifact into /app. Next, write a small /predict post route that accepts JSON inputs and returns predictions. This is the first actionable API surface. Now you wire inference logic into the endpoint, so inputs are validated and converted into tensors. You do this to avoid runtime type errors. Once validated, implement batching to improve throughput and a warm-up routine so the model loads weights and caches kernels. Make sure to detect GPU availability and move tensors accordingly. Also, add structured logging and metrics export for latency and throughput, so you can monitor performance as usage grows. Finish by adding health and readiness endpoints so orchestrators can manage lifecycle. This prevents traffic to unhealthy pods. Once deployed, enable auto-scaling based on request latency and queue depth, and wire CI/CD to build images automatically. Make sure to store credentials in secrets and rotate keys. If issues arise, first check structured logs and replay failing requests locally. Then profile CPU and GPU to find bottlenecks. This is your key troubleshooting tip that usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.